7 Chrome browser extensions that will save you time. Awesome Screenshot and Screen Recorder. Awesome Screenshot makes screen capture and annotation effortless. Click the camera icon, and Awesome Screenshot takes a snap of the whole page on your screen or any portion. Annotate the picture with lines, text, and shapes. Crop or blur out sensitive information before saving or uploading the image. Weava Highlighter. Weava delivers a simple yet effective way to gather and sort information during the pre-writing and planning stages of the writing process, as long as that research is done primarily online or with PDFs that have been scanned. Currency Converter Pro. My Currency Converter Pro is the simplest, most beautiful currency converter you'll ever find. It supports over 150 different currencies from all around the world, ranging from the US dollar to the Colombian peso. It even supports Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dogecoin. Momentum. Momentum, product of the mass of a particle and its velocity. Momentum is a vector quantity, i.e., it has both magnitude and direction. Isaac Newton's second law of motion states that the time rate of change of momentum is equal to the force acting on the particle. GetColor. GetColor function returns the current drawing color, and default drawing color is white. Int GetColor. This integer value is a value associated with the current drawing color. Default drawing color is white, and the value associated with white color is 15. There are various colors that are also mentioned in graphics. Picture-in-picture. The picture-in-picture mode is essentially quite useful if you want to do some multitasking on your iPhone or iPad. You can easily access your settings menu or check for a message on WhatsApp. Apple has enabled picture-in-picture support natively since the release of iOS 14, iPadOS 14 last year. Trim for Netflix. Trim is a minimalist Google Chrome extension that has the potential of slightly improving the overall experience on Netflix.